Hello, and welcome back to Home Remedy Rescue, your go-to destination for natural, safe, and effective solutions for all your common health concerns, home remedies, and preventative measures. We appreciate your viewership, and we hope you find value, useful information, and enjoyment in this video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our newest videos. In today's video, we're going to explore how turmeric can be used to give you gorgeous, glowing, and radiant skin. Turmeric is well renowned for a number of great health benefits. However, did you know that turmeric has also been lauded for its skin-enhancing properties? Especially its ability to reduce inflammation, fight acne, and bring out the skin's natural glow. Today, we're going to share 7 amazing recipes for topical face mask you can easily make in your own home. Here's your chance to learn how to bring about natural, more youthful, and healthy skin with your own turmeric home spa treatments. Be sure to watch the 7th recipe for a unique turmeric combination that really benefits skin beauty and health. Before we delve into these 7 amazing turmeric face mask recipes, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's get started. Turmeric and honey face mask. Honey has natural antibacterial and moisturizing properties, and yogurt can soothe the skin and refine pores. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of organic raw honey, 1 teaspoon of natural yogurt, optional for added moisture. Instructions: combine turmeric, honey, and yogurt, if using, in a bowl. Apply the mixture evenly on clean, dry skin. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off gently with warm water. Finish by applying your favorite moisturizer. Turmeric and aloe vera gel mask. Aloe vera hydrates and calms the skin, making it an excellent ingredient for sensitive or irritated skin. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Instructions: mix turmeric powder and aloe vera gel in a bowl to form a paste. Spread the mixture gently and equally, using a mask brush or fingertips on clean, dry face and neck. Allow the mask to sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse off thoroughly with lukewarm water and then with cool water. Usage notes: use the mask 1 to 2 times a week. Always do a patch test first to ensure you don't have an allergy to the ingredients. Turmeric can stain the skin temporarily, especially for those with lighter skin tones, but it usually fades away after some time or can be removed with a gentle exfoliant. Enjoy pampering your skin with these natural, nourishing ingredients. Turmeric and coconut oil moisturizing mask. Coconut oil is known for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties, making this mask especially beneficial for dry or acne-prone skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil. Instructions: mix the turmeric powder with the coconut oil until you have a smooth paste. Apply to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Turmeric and avocado nourishing mask. Avocado is packed with vitamin A and E, both of which have anti-aging properties and can help to nourish and moisturize the skin. Honey is great for hydration and has antibacterial properties. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Instructions: mash the avocado until it's smooth. Combine the mashed avocado, turmeric, and honey in a bowl. Spread the mask evenly over your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off thoroughly with warm water. Turmeric and oatmeal exfoliating mask. Oatmeal works as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores, while yogurt soothes and refines pores. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal, 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Instructions: in a bowl, mix turmeric, ground oatmeal, yogurt, and honey until well combined. Apply the mixture evenly onto clean, dry skin using gentle, circular motions. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off gently with warm water in circular motions to continue the exfoliation process. Additional tips: conduct a patch test first to avoid any adverse reactions. Avoid using these masks if you have an allergy to any of the ingredients. Use a dark or old towel to dry your face, as turmeric can stain fabrics. Turmeric and green tea face mask. Green tea and turmeric both possess powerful antioxidant properties, which can help reduce inflammation and promote healthy, glowing skin. Here's a soothing mask recipe combining these 2 ingredients. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 green tea bag or 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, 1 tablespoon of honey. A natural humectant draws moisture into the skin. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel soothes and hydrates skin. A few drops of lemon juice, optional for added brightening effect. Instructions: if using a green tea bag, steep it in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Let the tea cool down a bit, then remove the tea bag, squeezing out as much liquid as possible. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of green tea liquid or matcha powder with the turmeric powder. Add in honey and aloe vera gel. Mix well to form a smooth paste. If it's too thick, you can add more green tea liquid to reach the desired consistency. For added brightness, incorporate a few drops of lemon juice, but be cautious, as it can be irritating to some skin types. Apply the mask evenly to a clean, dry face, avoiding the eye and mouth areas. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to impart their benefits. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Follow with your favorite moisturizer to lock in the benefits. Recommendations: you can use this mask once or twice a week. Always conduct a patch test to ensure you don't react to the ingredients. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to skip the lemon juice or dilute it more. If going out post-application, apply sunscreen to protect the skin, especially if you've used lemon juice. Enjoy the revitalizing and refreshing experience of this mask and say hello to glowing, healthy skin. Before we delve into the last turmeric face mask recipe, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Turmeric, CoQ10, and Vitamin C Face Mask. Both coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, and vitamin C are renowned for their skin rejuvenating properties. CoQ10 is vital for energy production in cell mitochondria, and its topical application can reduce the signs of aging and improve skin health. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production and can help in reducing hyperpigmentation and improving skin texture. Combining both could potentially offer synergistic benefits. Here is a potential recipe to combine these ingredients effectively. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coenzyme Q10 powder, 1 teaspoon vitamin C powder, L-ascorbic acid, 1 tablespoon honey, natural moisturizer, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt to bind the ingredients and provide a smooth texture. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix turmeric, CoQ10 powder, and vitamin C powder together. Add honey and Greek yogurt to the mixed powders. Stir well to make a smooth, consistent paste. Before application, cleanse your face thoroughly and pat it dry. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye and mouth area. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Follow with a gentle cleanser to remove any yellow staining from the turmeric. Pat your face dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use this mask once a week. Regular use may help in rejuvenating the skin and reducing signs of aging. Which ingredient is most effective? Coenzyme Q10 or vitamin C? While the combination of these two ingredients with turmeric would likely be most effective, if you had to choose one or only had one, vitamin C with turmeric might edge coenzyme Q10 out due to its well-known and studied benefits on skin health, such as promoting collagen synthesis, lightening hyperpigmentation, and providing antioxidant protection. Caution: conduct a patch test before applying any new ingredient to your face to rule out allergies. Turmeric can stain your skin temporarily, so be prepared for a slight yellow tint post-application. Avoid exposure to sunlight immediately after using a vitamin C mask, as it can make your skin more sensitive to UV rays. Use sunscreen if you need to go out. Remember, while these masks can offer some benefits, maintaining overall skin health requires a balanced diet, regular cleansing and moisturizing, sun protection, and adequate hydration. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. We hope you enjoyed and found value in these amazing turmeric-based skincare recipes you can make in the comfort of your own home. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips every week, and leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please be well and take care.